In a year that has been dismal for IPOs, animal healthcare product supplier Rhone Ma is hoping to make a solid debut. However, given the challenging market conditions, how is the company going to excite investors? We asked MD Keong on his future plans. Hi Dr. Lim, thanks for joining us today. Why do you choose to list at this point of time? Because a lot of companies, big companies, they are delaying their IPO to next year. And IPO market is really not exciting at this point of time. So why would you want to choose this time?
I understand that the condition is not that exciting, over the common markets right now. But we still believe that this is in line, with our expansion plan and future plan for our IPO exercise. And we think that with this IPO exercise, it will enhance our group stature, and this will lead for us to enter into more market opportunities.
So Rhone Ma is going to offer about 42.12 million shares, but how much is Rhone Ma going to raise from this IPO?
Yeah, we plan to raise about 31.5 million from this IPO.
And about 77.55% of the proceeds will be set aside for capital expenditure. And I understand that some part of the proceeds will be going into building these GMP plants, Good Manufacturing Practices plant in Nilai. So what kind of growth do you expect from this plant? What kind of expansion can we expect?
Yeah, actually we identified land in Nilai for our new plant, because we are planning for a GMP plant that can produce, that surface our production capacity. We are facing up to neck production capacity right now, so that for us to further expand our business either in the local or market in overseas or neighboring countries, we have to get a bigger plant, so that we are expecting this plant will supply us about up to 4 times our capacity right now.
Last year, in financial year ended 2015, your profit actually was down by almost 26%. What were the reasons behind it? And also this year, by the end of this year, financial year ending December 2016, will we see a turnaround, or will we see any growth for your earnings?
Yeah, we understand that the 2014 and 2015, the profit is dropped from in 2015, but actually in 2014 we have a one-off gain of disposal of our investment property, equipments and plants, that caused that you see a drop in 2015. As for 2016, we are very confident there will be growth, in our revenue as well as our profit. We haven't concluded our financial performance yet for the profit, but as revenue is concerned, that we can see quite comfortable growth in our revenue. Talking
about neighboring countries, I understand that Rhone Ma has some presence in Thailand, in Indonesia and in the Philippines as well. How much do the export markets contribute to your group's revenue at the moment? Yeah, right now, actually, the contribution from these export markets is not that big. It's about only 2% or so. That is because of our limitation in our production capacity. Right. So we hope that in future, when GMP plant is complete, so that we will have products to supply to these countries, and we are looking for, hopefully, that we can increase the contribution from this country. I believe in these markets that we mentioned just now, in all these neighboring countries, they already have some established animal health providers in these markets. So how do you see the obstacles or any red tapes going into these markets? Of course, there are some. We are confident that our presence in that market, we will leverage on our core advantages, on our product range, on our total solution provider concept. The TSP actually is an end-to-end animal health solution providers concept that actually can provide a customized and flexible technical product range to the farms and customers. So that we hope that with the partnership with our local distributor, we can gain our competitiveness there. So
in touch on that obstacles and red tape, of course, we understand that in every country, including Malaysia, there will be a registration requirements for all products, regulatory requirements for all products to register all the pharmaceutical products.
What's your growth plan in the next 5 years? And right now you have about 77.59% in your animal health products, and distribution and supply of food ingredients 20.63%. Are you trying to equalize these two contribution, or what kind of growth are you expecting from these two categories?
Yeah, we are relatively more experienced in animal health industry, so relatively the food ingredients is quite young to us. It's just okay. So you can see that actually the food ingredients is contribute about 20% of our revenue. So that you are right that we will focus on both and to expand both. So we are looking forward that if possible, around 8 to 10% growth each year for these two sectors.